Somebody's just lit off a firework next to my van. I'm not even joking. Holy guaca frickin' moly, it's cold out there. I know I probably say this in every single video recently, but winter is well and truly here. Tonight it's going to be getting down to -2, which is the first time this year that it's got down into the minuses, where I'm from anyway, down in the south of England. Since I last saw you in the previous video when I ran out of gas and I had no electricity, and also my heater stopped working. Oh Jesus Christ, now I've got a bloody error message on the under voltage. Firstly, I have to embarrassingly admit that yes, my gas tank was empty. Oh no, don't say I'm out of gas again. I've now rerouted everything to the back of the van, so now I have a bigger gas tank at the back, which means more storage. My gas pipe now runs all the way through to the kitchen, through into the garage area, where my tank is now nice and secure here, which means I can get a bigger tank and hopefully shouldn't have any more problems in the future. So before we head over to tonight's stealth camp spot and just enjoy a nice evening in the van, I wanted to let you guys know about today's video sponsor, who is Athletic Greens. Athletic Greens is a jam-packed nutritional drink which I've been taking probably for well over a month now. It's really become part of my morning routine. It is full of absolutely loads of minerals and vitamins that our bodies need, which is especially helpful, especially during these colder winter months. So all I do is put 1 scoop of this nutritional goodness into the shaker, add some water, and get it down the hatch. Cheers, biggies. Here's to good health. Personally, I found myself feeling much more awake, far more energetic throughout the days, and there are so many benefits from AG1, not only improving gut health, it improves your digestive system, and also, thirdly, your immune system, and so many other things. The great thing about AG1, there's no discrimination. It can literally be drunk and used by literally everyone. It's gluten-free, nut-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, and suitable for vegans. If you guys want to check out AG1 for yourself, then I will leave a link in the top of this video's description. If you click on my link, then you get a 1-year supply of immune supporting vitamin D and 5 packs free with your first purchase. Thanks AG1 for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get onto it and get this stealth camp underway. Oh Jesus, you can see I'm coming, you knob jockey. Jeez, it's always tricky reversing out in a van.
Obviously, all those snow showers that we're going to stop tonight. All the showers coming into the east as well. As temperatures drop off, well, things could turn icy. With these showers coming into Northern Ireland, Wales, and southwest England, we also have a net on this yellow ice warning in place here.
Well, I can't lie. Tonight's spot is an absolute nightmare to get to. Oh God, am I being an absolute idiot? Why have I come here? Is this it? Are you fripping joking me? There's a fucking height barrier! Oh my God! What a f***. This is where I wanted to go in, but there's a height barrier! Right, I'm gonna keep driving down that road and see what I can find. So, come with me, because we're figuring this out together, and trying to reverse at night and everything, I don't like it. I feel like I'm gonna crash. Oh, since when did they put a bloody height barrier there? This is what I mean. In the UK, you try to go somewhere a little bit wild and rural, and guess what? We've put height barriers everywhere to stop people like me, probably. Where the hell am I? Oh, I don't like this. This is why I prefer just going to a bloody McDonald's or a supermarket car park. The good thing is I can put my light beam on and see everything. I mean, I like driving through here, it's quite cool. I would just love somewhere nice to stay for the night. It's another height barrier, what a joke, man. Another flipping height barrier. The UK hates van life, that's for sure. Especially in wilderness areas. This light bar is just insane. First time I've used it in the UK. It wasn't where I wanted to stay tonight, but it will certainly do. So I'm in an area called Leith Hill, and the car park that I wanted to stay at initially is only 5 minutes from here, but thankfully I've done a few walks around here as a kid and in the past, and I just remembered that this car park didn't have a height barrier, so thank God I actually managed to find a place and I'm able to stay here tonight. Well, actually theoretically I'm not, because there's a sign saying no overnight parking or camping, but I'm not going to be doing anything wrong. The only downfall that I've got to where I'm parked is it's not very flat. It is extremely, extremely slopey. I need to test this out. Oh God. It's very slopey. I think if I sleep diagonally, I should be okay. Ideally, I want the bed vertically for tonight. But that's the problem sometimes with having the bed sideways. You don't always get a level playing field when you sleep. Anyway, welcome to tonight's spot. I think it's time to chill out, get some food on the go, and yeah, enjoy the evening. Tonight it's going to be getting cold. Currently it's 1 degree and it's going to be getting down to -2, which, as I said earlier on, is the first time this year for me personally that it's dropped that low. So we're going to get the heater straight on right now, and fingers crossed it doesn't turn off tonight, because I'm going to need it. Yep, definitely on a slope. Ah, it's nice to have gas again. Oh shit. Ow! Shit. Oh my God. My lemon just fell in the curry. That'll do. That's enough zest. Well, is someone exploding fireworks? Somebody's just lit off a firework next to my van. I'm not even joking. Oh, he's going. He's off. Well, how weird is that? Just cooked the curry, thought it was nice and peaceful here. and then I heard a couple of fireworks going off outside, and I thought, oh, for God's sake, what's going on? And then one more went off just as I filmed that last bit, and it sounded pretty close to my van, so I jumped out to see what was going on, and somebody's just driven off. Whether they're trying to warn me not to stay here or whatever, God knows. But I'm going to stay here now, just out of pure... don't know what the word is. Right, I'm going to tuck into this. Fireworks being shot at the van. That's a first for me. Whether they'll be back later for more, who knows? You shoot fireworks at my van, trust me, I won't be happy. If there's one thing to show you how much of a slope I'm on, it's the sink. My waste tank and freshwater tank is on the other side of the van, so gravity, it's not working today. Well, it's not working because of the way that I've parked and I'm slightly downhill. Hopefully it will slowly drain out into the evening, but if not, it will drain when I get driving tomorrow morning. Good night. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful morning it is. It's the first morning where I've actually seen a frost and ice knocking around, because actually it's about 9 o'clock or half 9 now. It's already -2, or still is -2 degrees. No trouble staying here whatsoever. No more firecrackers and fireworks pinged at the van in the middle of the night. You know you're on a slope when the door closes automatically. I had the heater on all night. In fact, it's still on now, pretty much from when I arrived about 6 o'clock all the way till half 9 now, and thankfully the battery's held up. I've had no problems whatsoever with that. I've still got half a sink of rotten, disgusting, smelly water. Honestly, one of these during these colder temperatures, and just in any vehicle camping, car camping, van camping, whatever it is a game changer in the mornings, because it just makes the process of getting ready to drive off so much quicker. Instead of having to put your heater on and stuff and then all of the water drips down, this obviously just sucks it all up. So wouldn't change this for the world. There'll be a link in the description if you want to pick yourself up a Karcher window vacuum. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then please make sure to give the video a like. Please make sure to subscribe, all of that fun stuff. And as always, I will catch you in the next video.